Hi everyone, I am Fawad and in this video we are going to talk about how to write a word phrase for the given algebraic expression. Guys, I have 10 different algebraic expressions with me and I'm going to write them in the word phrase form. Okay, so we'll try in a different way. Let's start with the number 1. Q plus 5. So as I said, Q plus 5, this is also a word phrase, or you can write as sum of Q and 5, okay, and Q add in 5, like this. Okay, so I'm going to choose here the sum of Q and 5. So guys, sum means plus, sum of what? Q and 5. So this is what I can see in this algebraic expression, and you can write them as a word phrase. Let's go for the part 2. 3 minus t. So guys, whenever the minus sign comes, so we have different ways. Like you can just say 3 minus t, or you can write the difference of 3 and t. So that's better. So I will write as the difference of 3 and t. Okay guys, so the difference means minus of 3 and t. Okay guys, we have the next part 3, y over 5 or y divided by 5. So what I am saying, you can just write it as y divided by 5, but the more appropriate what they usually use in the books, they use the quotient of y and 5. So I can write the quotient of y and 5. Okay guys, so quotient means divide what? Y divide by 5. Number 4, 12x. You know that 12x means 12 multiplied by x. So guys, simply you can write as the product of 12 and x. Please mind it, we are just writing it in a very formal way, but if you just say 12 times x, that is also okay. 12 multiply x, it is also fine. So the product of 12 and x. Now number 5, 13p plus 0.1. Now guys, we have here two terms, so we have to make a sentence for it. 13p plus 0. So 13p is here, it is a product, and here plus, it means sum of 0.1 and this product. So I can write as the sum of 13, the sum of the product, because this is the product. So this is the sum of the product 13 times p and 0.1. So I will write it as the sum of 13 times the number p and 0.1. So guys, the sum of 13 times p, the number p and 0.1. So in this way you can write this expression in the word phrase. Guys, we have a number 6, 2 times 5 minus n. So guys, 2 times is a product. So this product we can write as or simply you can write 2 times 2 times the difference of 5 and the number n. Guys, you can just write 2 times the difference of 5 and n also, or and the number n. So this is more appropriate. So I hope you understand. This is simple. You have to go in deep in the expression and see what operations are there. Have a look on the question number 7. 15 minus 1.5 over d. How can we write it? So we'll write it because difference. So I will write the difference. Difference means minus. The difference of 15 and the quotient of 1.5 and d. So this is, I think, it will be good. So I will write here the difference. Guys, I'm going to write in short the difference of 15 and the quotient of 1.5 and d. Let's go for part 8, x over 8 minus 9. So guys, this I'm going to write in a different way as compared to the other. I'm not going to use here difference, although I can use the difference of quotient of x and 8 with 9. Okay, that is also fine, but I'm going to write it as 9 less than the quotient of x and 8. So we must know all the terms which we can use in our sentence. So I will write here 9 less than the quotient of x and 8. I hope you understand. Number 9 now. 14.1 minus w. So guys, this is the difference question. So you can just write 14.1 minus w or the difference of 14.1 and w. So I'm going to write here the difference of 14.1 and the number w. Okay, now guys, number 10 now. It will be 62 plus 7h. So how you will write as in the word phrase? So it will be the sum means plus, the sum of 62 and product of 7 and the number h. So guys, this is the way how we can write the algebraic expressions to a word phrase. I tried to use different expressions and try to cover all the cases which they used to give in the SAT exam. I hope you understand. If you have any question, you can mention in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel, like this video, and have a good day. Bye bye.